The Suzuki Raider R150Fi has always been one of the more popular choices in terms of underbone motorcycles. The rather powerful engine coupled with the light frame gives the Raider a unique appeal in the market. Fans of the MotoGP team Suzuki ECSTAR can show their love with the new Raider R150Fi in the exclusive racing livery. Suzuki has just unveiled its Team Suzuki ECSTAR Edition Raider R150Fi last weekend, inspired by the GSXR MotoGP race bike. The new livery commemorates Suzuki's 100th anniversary celebrated on March 15, 2020. It also marks 60 years since Suzuki's racing project first began and pays homage to the team's first World Championship title in 1962 won by Ernst Degner riding its 50 cubic centimeters race bike. The Suzuki Raider 150Fi Team Suzuki ECSTAR Edition is powered by a 147.3 cubic centimeters 4-stroke DOHC, 4-valve fuel-injected engine, capable of producing 18.2 horsepower and 13.8 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM, mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. It also comes with a 4-liter capacity fuel tank. Suspension duties are provided by a telescopic fork up front and a monoshock swing arm for the rear. Disc brakes on both ends slow the bike down and bring it to a stop. With a very user-friendly seat height of 765 mm and a dry weight of only 109 kg, riders wouldn't find it difficult to swing a leg over the Raider R150Fi ECSTAR Edition to take it through the city or on long sweeping provincial roads. Even with its new racing livery, the Suzuki Raider R150Fi Team Suzuki ECSTAR Edition could still priced as its other color variants at $2,000 soon in the South Asian market. With its popularity among riders, we wouldn't be surprised if they start scampering to their nearest dealerships to check out the new MotoGP livery of one of its best-selling underbones to date.